This house has great potential for an amazing alfresco area.
Dark, dark, dark.
This far room at the back is a multifunctional room.
This can be entertaining. That's all entertaining.
We're going to turn it into a private little oasis.
Oh my God!
So at the moment, the outdoor space is just a big patch of grass that kind of goes off in a bit of a cliff down the side and a hills hoist in the middle of it. We're going to change all of that. I'm talking wraparound privacy screening, wraparound deck, a dining space, a lounging space, and also the grass to play on. So technically, the new backyard will be smaller than the old one, but it will be much more functional. The third bedroom in this house opens out onto the alfresco space. So I think we're going to do more French doors there and try and connect the two. This is going to become the ultimate alfresco oasis.
I guess the one space in the property that we're a little bit undecided about is this far back room. So at the moment in the plans, we have it as a fourth bedroom. And I think Bon's got an inkling of some other little things up her sleeve she might want to do to connect to the living space.
So what's happening here? Double doors?
So this is Frenchies going out again onto a deck. So you'll sit in the lush greenery.
The original backyard had a big slope, which was unusable. We're going to build out with privacy screening, decking, and also beautiful grass.
Huge deck that runs all the way through here, all the way through here. Probably over this whole section will be kind of a modern pergola. This whole deck is about entertaining. Hanging daybed loungy in this section here, dining in the other section here with built-in bench seating all in there.
Party time. I'm coming back for the party.
This party deck is different to the others that we've done before because it's raised. So we have a big U-shaped deck in the backyard and it's just created an extra living space for the house.
Now we've had such a huge conversion go on out back here. I think last time I was standing in this space earlier on in the reno, all we could see was basically just a bit of grass and a lot of dirt. So we've got the hardy deck that wraps all the way around. We can access the entertaining area from 3 different points. So we've got from the study / bedroom and 2 entry points from the kitchen lounge area. And this room also now extends to entertain out the back. We wanted this room to be a bit kind of multi-purpose, and the one key thing that we did to ensure that is not exactly framed up now, but this whole space here and across here is going to have an internal Luxaflex shutter. So you'll actually be able to open up the shutters and that room will become part of this room and become part of that room.
So the cladding's gone on, it looks amazing. We use the Sky on Linear again, which is what we used at our house, and it's just a no-brainer.
With this extension, it was really important for us to connect the kitchen and living space with this new alfresco area. So we're going to merge an old roof line with a new one and make it look seamless.
Today is a really exciting day on site because our new Monia roof is going up. With this roof line, we've chosen to go with the A-line ridging. So what you traditionally see with your ridging is they overlap like this, and they overlap along the ridge cap there. We've decided to go with the A-line, which is where the roof tiles butt up, and it gives you a much more streamlined look. We've chosen to go with these beautiful Monia concrete roof tiles for the extension of this property. So they are called Horizon and they have this lovely flat finish. It gives you a beautiful modern shingle look. Now the colour you see here is actually called Barramundi. So Bon's picked this colour, and what we're going to do is colour match this and spray the roof tiles on the existing property.
The new tile on the roof, look at them. I mean, you need to pull back and look at it with the roof.
One of the things I've loved most about today is seeing the new Monia roof that's gone on. Those tiles, we've never used them before. They're rough, they're old, but on a really modern extension. It's brand new, but it looks like it's been here forever.
Oh my God.
So you don't get that, oh, I've just built this extension. And it's concrete. It's stronger with age.
Love, what, like you?
Yeah, like me. No, I'm getting weaker, honestly. We do pergolas at every house. And so when Bonnie said there's a pergola going up out the back, I just knew what that looked like. There's no decorative edges, it's just boom, boom, ultra modern. I think it's actually going to look fabulous.
So this is the pergola I'm thinking, like imagine it's like that.
Yeah.
And then that enables me then to have hanging chairs hanging from the pergola.
I'd love
you know?
to see hanging plants. Just want to put that out there.
Is that easy?
Not easy.
Oh.
The issue is just a bit more involved in the detail of the mitering and that.
Okay. That just took the wind out of her sails. Thanks for nothing, Gary.
Thanks, Gary. Have I told you what we're doing in here now?
God, no.
I'm going to design this and style it so it's a bar area.
Bar. Like, she just came up with that out of nowhere. And did you see, Erin? And my face was just, what?
I know we'd always planned for 3 additional bedrooms to the master, but I've decided to change that 3rd bedroom into like a bar, kind of more social area. It can always be changed back to a study or a bedroom later.
I thought this was going to be a study.
No, because this is all opened up now, so that's all entertaining.
Yeah.
This can be entertaining, that's all entertaining, that's all entertaining. They can just...
They're going to be doing a lot of entertaining.
Hope they like to entertain.
They will be.
I don't know if the bar's the right idea, but I guess we'll see. I love this stage of a reno when the exterior cladding is starting to go on. It actually looks like our new home.
I think the most exciting thing about this house is seeing the outdoor entertaining area and the kitchen area come together for me. I'm really confident that we're just going to nail that section out the back.
Okay, Bon, choosing the exterior paint colour.
With our little Dulux tester pots.
I've got Clavia and Oolong.
I'm liking this. What's this one? Bet you this is Domino. Yep. But Oolong's quite nice, and even this one's nice. Trespass.
Yeah. I think you need to put the black trims.
Yeah, and
And
second
all
coat.
will be revealed.
So the outdoor space, it's nearly like this kind of huge courtyard. It does have that patch of grass in it, which is perfect, and it's just surrounded by this sky on linear that just, it's like this big, huge outdoor room. It's beautiful. So we are on the final run home, and I went away for 4 days and came back, and oh my God, the house is amazing. Oh my God! Did you see that? Oh my God, the shutters and the wallpaper. Oh my God, wow. So that wallpaper is,
It's just beautiful. It makes it feel so private, so calming, and just so stunning.
It's extremely bold and it's right in your face, but it is actually gorgeous with the beautiful styling that Bon's put in there. Really, really nice.
Welcome to drama. Come on in. This is, I think, my favorite room in the whole house because, wow, how about this wall? Drama, drama, drama. I love the wallpaper. I love the shelving, the neon sign, gin and tonic. Wow. Connecting spaces is so important in any home, and this was the big idea between this room and the dining room. But if you want to close it off, we've got these gorgeous Luxaflex shutters, another favourite of ours. So who needs a 4th bedroom when you can have a bar? And what I love about it is how it opens up to the outside. So that's why it made sense for it to be a bar, because it's all about entertaining. Welcome to the entertainer's deck out here, the linear weatherboard privacy screen. I don't think I've ever seen us build a privacy screen that is more beautiful and works so well with the surroundings. And this colour here is Dulux Domino, which is exactly the same as we've used for the rest of the house, which makes it feel like a real continuation of the home. This zone is the dining zone. With the built-in bench seat, it's always really space efficient to just push a dining table up into the corner with a bench seat, which is just fantastic. I mean, it looks like it's ready for Christmas lunch. So moving into the second zone out here, it's the lounging area, and everyone who visits the house absolutely gushes over this outdoor setting. It's from freedom, and it just works so well with this configuration. And just because it's an outdoor area, don't forget that rugs are fantastic. Those types of soft furnishings really blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. We love an outdoor rug. We love ourselves a good pergola. We put them in almost all of our houses, but in this one we've done a real modern take on the pergola. It's got the real angles, we've painted it black, and I think my favourite view in the whole home is the one you can see behind me. I love how you can see the new Monia roof, which looks like it's been here forever, and it actually makes the house feel like an old English countryside home. And I think what I love most about this outside space is how we've connected it to inside, and it just flows seamlessly into the living area and into the kitchen. If I think of what was here when we began to what we've created now, wow, what a transformation.
I think the biggest challenge for this property is the front facade.
Our vision is really starting to take shape.
Does that make sense?
Look, not really.
We've experienced Bon at her most indecisive.
You had a little bit of a change in plan. Landscaping!
So fingers crossed, the rain that's predicted does not come. The street appeal is going to be epic. I really don't know how we're going to get this done.